Hello and welcome to Spotlight Tech Tips, where we spotlight products, troubleshoot, share unboxings, and more. Today we are unboxing the HSST-3M2-RYG. This kit box contains a light tower, desk lamp, and optional pull rings. Opening the box has the instruction booklet and each compartment in its own component. The metal bracket can be used for vertical or horizontal mounting. The metal bracket has threads for the clamp. While the switch box has ports to connect to the tower and to power. Speaking of power, the ADP-001 is also included. The LR5 is pre-wired with 1400 millimeters of cable and a connector. The optional pole is 300 millimeters long and the mounting hardware is found in a separate bag. In the bag, you can find hardware to attach the pole to the LR tower. Remove a nut and washer from the LR pole, then feed the cable through the bracket opening and the hardware. You can feed the cable through a second opening for cable management. Tighten a nut to secure the LR in place. Plug in the power supply, then plug in the cable to the switch box, and the HSST kit is assembled. Because it is pre-wired, the LR cannot have additional LED or buzz modules added to it. Thank you for watching, and please consider following us on our social media channels for more Spotlight Tech Tips. Have a great day!